Hi viewers, welcome to AQSC Group YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe our channel to get regular price updates of agri commodities in India. Now we are going to see procurement rate of coconut, copra and tender coconut in Karnataka. Kindly share this video to your friends and farmers. Now we are going to see coconut wholesale price in various parts of Karnataka. Coconut price in Puttur, minimum price 9 rupees and maximum price 18 rupees. Coconut price in Kumta, minimum price 23 rupees 10 paise and maximum price 23 rupees 40 paise. Coconut price in Bangalore, minimum price 20 rupees and maximum price 25 rupees. Coconut price in Nagamangala, minimum price and maximum price is 16 rupees. Coconut price in Ramnagara, minimum price 8 rupees and maximum price 19 rupees 80 paise. Now we are going to see copra and ball copra procurement price in various parts of Karnataka. Copra price in Arsikare, minimum price 152 rupees per kilogram and maximum price 160 rupees per kilogram. Copra price in Puttur, minimum price 50 rupees per kilogram and maximum price 135 rupees per kilogram. Total arrival 5000 kilograms. Copra price in Tiptur, minimum price 155 rupees per kilogram and maximum rupees 165 rupees per kilogram. Arrival 51,000 kilograms. Copra price in Tuankare, minimum price 160 rupees per kilogram and maximum price 161 rupees per kilogram. Total arrival 53 kilograms. Copra price in Chandrayapatna, maximum price 160 rupees per kilogram, total arrival 7000 kilograms. Now we are going to see tender coconut procurement price in various parts of Karnataka. Tender coconut price in Madur, minimum price 10 rupees and maximum price 25 rupees per number. Tender coconut price in Chandrayapatna, minimum price 10 rupees and maximum price 15 rupees per piece. Tender coconut price in Belur, minimum price and maximum price is 12 rupees per piece. Tender coconut price in Pandavapura, minimum price 9 rupees and maximum price 15 rupees per piece. Tender coconut price in Mandya, minimum price 15 and maximum price 25 rupees per piece. Tender coconut price in KR-Pet, minimum price 6 rupees and maximum price 24 rupees per piece. Tender coconut price in Santi Sargur, maximum and minimum price is 8 rupees per piece. Kindly subscribe our channel to get regular price updates of agri commodities, spices and farmer news around India. If you have any doubt, kindly comment below this video. Thank you for watching.